Hello Bomb Bakers, and welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and if you're new here, I share lots of delicious home style recipes as well as baking tips and tricks. Today I wanted to share with you a really beautiful icing. It's a lemon drizzle icing, and it's great to use on lemon cake or any other cake, muffins. It's a beautiful, delicious icing, so let's get to it. This lemon icing I'm going to use on my lemon and sour cream cake. So if you want to make the cake as well, make sure you watch that video. I'll leave it in the description box below for you so you can check it out. And this icing as well, you can add different ingredients if you want to. So if you want to make it with a little bit of blueberry or a little bit of raspberry, that's okay too. And I'll leave a few more instructions as well in the description box below for you. But for this lemon icing, all I've got today is some icing sugar and some lemon juice. We're just going to combine them until it's nice and smooth and it makes a beautiful thick consistency that we can drizzle over our cake. So let's do it. In we go. Now whisk it. As you can see here, that icing sugar really does just soak up all of that lemon juice, and it creates this quite thick and silky smooth, absolutely gorgeous white icing. It's gonna look so pretty on top of that yellow cake. There you go guys, literally a short and sweet recipe today, but if you are looking for a really beautiful, fresh and zesty icing, then this lemon drizzle is the icing for you. And I hope that you like this recipe. If you did, make sure you give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and I have a new video every week, so hit that bell. And I'll see you again next week. Bye.